Welcome back to today's morning report on Friday the 18th of September with me, Rich Pro, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's move on to euro dollar now, and this dollar weakness that we're going to see, I think, in response to this dovish Fed is certainly still taking hold. We had the strong reaction up to the upside, the euro closing strongly higher on the day yesterday, and as the Europeans have come in today, there was a minor little correction overnight on the Asian trading, but the Europeans have come in and bought it again, and certainly it suggests we're seeing upside pressure continuing. These momentum indicators are certainly reflective of that. The stochastics rising sharply now. RSI pushing higher as well, so it all points towards a test of this 1465 overhead barrier from that old key range, 1465. But also, there's little reason if it does break through that 1465 level, sort of reopens that high, doesn't it? 1711. Upside momentum is still in this chart. Look at that RSI 61. So there is still further upside potential in this move. So as this euro continues to strengthen against the dollar, we could see that move. Now you'd be buying dips, I think, on euro. You've had a nice band of support coming in 1390, just above that old breakout 1370. I said on the morning report that I would be looking out for a nice band of support between 1330 and 1370, and that is obviously still in place on this chart. You had this sort of consolidation early trading today before Europeans have started to buy again. Interestingly enough, we haven't broken out above 1441 yet, which was yesterday's high in reaction to the Fed. But ultimately, I think dips are going to get bought into. You've got pretty decent momentum now on this hourly chart. Last couple of weeks, really, you've been sort of edging higher on this euro, and I think corrections are a chance to buy. Ideally, you'd probably be looking out for the RSI on the hourly chart, maybe around 50. It's currently around sort of 60 odd, so maybe a little bit. Maybe wait a little bit for a minor pullback, but as I said, nice band of support now between 1330, 1370, but also overnight at 1390. So some levels for you to work with there, but certainly it looks like the outlook is increasingly positive near term, and further gains should be seen in due course on this euro. Not necessarily saying it's going to break out demonstrably from the range. Could see a move towards that 17 figure level area, but I don't think necessarily this is going to be the start of a massive bull run on the euro. I think it's going to remain pretty choppy, but I think for the near term, as the market continues to react to this dollar, I think buying into weakness is still the way to play it. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.